Hello, how are you guys? Let me know if you can see me and you can hear me. I'm here today for our Fashionpreneur Chat. Happy Tuesday. How's it going? How's your fashion business doing? How is your week going? I'm here today with you to share two events that we are hosting this month in the Fashion Entrepreneur Club. So I wanted to tell you a little bit more about them, to invite you to join us in case you're interested. So the first event we're hosting, hello, hi there, nice to see ya. So the first event is the Connect and Collab call. This is going to be a free event. We're going to jump together on Zoom, and the idea of this event is to connect. Everybody's going to have a chance to introduce themselves, talk a little bit about their business, and talk about, who they want to connect with. Perhaps you're putting together a summit and you need certain experts for different areas, or maybe you have a podcast and you're looking for experts to interview, or maybe you just want to meet women who are in the same industry, who are like you, and you want to connect with them to, maybe mastermind or whatever it may be. So this is an event that I'm hosting inside the Fashion Entrepreneur Club, and it's completely free, and it's going to be on February the 23rd, okay? So that is a Thursday, and it's going to be at 4 p.m. Eastern time, and the link is available in our bio. If you go to our bio and you click on the website, you have to go where it says latest news and events, and the first event right there is going to say Connect and Collab call. So you can register for free. It's going to ask you for a little bit of information so I know who you are and I can tell people who you are as well. And yeah, join us. It's going to be a very intimate event. Hi there. Thank you. You're all invited, everyone in the community. Thank you for the hearts. Hi, stay classy. Nice to see you. It's been such a long time. I hope you're doing well, Lisa. Nice to see you. So yeah, you guys, whoever, if you want to invite a friend who is a fashion entrepreneur as well, or a beauty entrepreneur, they can come. Just share the link with them and we'll be happy to have you, okay? And then the second event we are hosting inside the Fashion Entrepreneur Club this February is happening Monday, February 27th, okay? And it's also at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to be about an hour as well, and it's the Let's Plan Your Business Strategy workshop. So this is going to be a hands-on workshop, and we're gonna jump on Zoom, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna walk you through all the steps for you to put together your business strategy. We're gonna do it together at the same time. That's why I say it's a hands-on workshop, and the idea here is to get very clear about the steps that you have to go through, or that your potential customer has to go through from the moment that you bump into them all the way to you close the sale. So you have to know, right, what are all the steps, get clear about them, know the strategy, and so you are able to practice it every day. And that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna share with you my strategy, and we're gonna build it together. It's a hands-on workshop, like I said, because you can ask questions, you can ask for feedback, and it's going to be an intimate setting. It's going to be limited spots available, so we can talk and we can get everyone's questions answered. It's going to be $25, and the link, you can also find it on our profile, so you can go ahead to the bio and click on the profile, and then also under the latest news and event category, I'm looking because I just want to make sure I'm telling you guys the right thing. It says, under the Connect and Collab call, you can find the link for the workshop. There is going to be a replay, so if you're in a different part of the world and the time zone this doesn't really work, no worries, there is going to be a replay. However, I do recommend that you show up live, because then you'll be able to ask the questions, then you'll be able to get the feedback, right, and meet the people in the call. So yeah, so those are the two events that we're hosting this month. Let me know if you're interested in joining. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, that's what I have for you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me. I wave back at you. Thank you for sending the hearts as well. And yeah, just let me know if you have any questions. Like, every Tuesday I show up here live and I answer questions, or share what's happening in the community to get you involved. So this is your space. Feel free to send me a DM. The best place to get all the information, all the links and everything is inside our free Facebook group, Fashion Entrepreneur Club Hangout. You can also find the link in the bio, but if not, go on Facebook and look us up, Fashion Entrepreneur Club Hangout, and in there you're constantly answering questions. We are I'm showing up live, sharing all these links about all these different things and opportunities happening in the community. So that's a great place to be. Okay, well, I'm gonna go ahead and actually jump on a different live right now inside the group to talk to our members over there. So I hope and I wish you a great week. And if you have any questions, again, just let me know. And I will see you guys in the next live, okay? Thank you for joining me. Bye guys, have a good one.